Hi guys, once again this is CryptoCrayze coming to you with a quick update just on the ADA coin, Cardano coin. Recently we've seen quite a decent increase in terms of its price. Over the last 7 days, we can see that this has really increased by roughly about 50%, 40-50%. And the reason for that is actually because if you look on Binance, ADA has now got, or Cardano, the Cardano coin has now got a fiat pair listing. Binance has introduced two new pairs, one against BNB and the other against fiat, against Tether USDT, and that's essentially huge for the crypto market. It's a wonderful coin. It's a one of the top currencies out there, and it really makes everything a lot more liquid, which is beautiful. So we're seeing the price go up in terms of that's both against BTC and against fiat. So this is a promising coin and one to definitely look out for. As you can see, the supports are getting higher and higher over time, and so it's definitely it seems like a good one to watch out for, and to fill your bags with to some extent anyway. So yeah, this is the ADA coin, the Cardano coin. Hopefully this has been informative. If you like what you're hearing, if you like what you're seeing, then like the video, like and subscribe, and hopefully this will be something that we can keep up with, and yeah, hope all the best. This is CryptoCrayze, and hopefully we'll be chatting again soon. Cool.